Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Liberty Lady Liz here, and I'm in the kitchen right now because this will be out Monday, but this is being filmed Sunday night. Tomorrow I am going back to school after February break, and I'm excited because a week from tomorrow is my 15th birthday, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be turning 15, and I have a hack for you guys I want to show you. So, you know how you say, you can only cook raw pasta on the stove. Well, that is not true. I found out on Google, off of a website off of Google, that you can actually make pasta in the microwave. So let me show you how it's done. So let me put the camera up. There we go. So first, what you want to do is you want to get your container, and you want to fill it like. Don't fill it all the way up because when the pasta's microwaving, you don't want it to overflow, and this will actually work. So put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. Okay. So you want to fill it up. Okay, so this is a little more than halfway, but it's fine. Next, you want to get your pasta. So I got my pasta. It can be any type of pasta. And this is a hack. So if you tried this, comment down below how you think microwave pasta tastes, because I never knew you could do this. Alright, you don't want to do that, but I just had to do that because of the fact that the pasta was on top of each other. So then I'm gonna open up another box of pasta and put a little bit more in. I'm gonna put my pasta back, and I'm gonna put this in the microwave. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave. There we go. Alright, so I am next to my microwave. And kids, this is super safe to try at home, so. Alright, I just put it in the microwave, right here. And I am going to put it in for 10 minutes. And I'll show you guys what happens when it's done. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Alright guys, so the pasta just finished in the microwave, and I'm gonna take it out. The next thing you want to do is move this frozen corn out of the way. The next thing you want to do is you want to drain it with this lid on. So, yeah. Sorry, that's just my portable phone charger, guys. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah. And be very careful that you don't dump any of the pasta out. I'm gonna make mac and cheese with this, so. You want to make sure you have all the water out. So I have more than half of the water out. Alright, I'm just gonna put this in another container. So yeah. Put it in for another 30 seconds. Thanks for bearing with me, guys. Alright. I'm breaking up the cheese. I'm gonna put it in for like a minute and a half. Yeah, guys, I know my refrigerator's not closed. Thanks for much for 26 subscribers. Please get me to 1,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thanks for being with me. If you guys try this at home, comment in the comments and comment down below what you think. I think this is pretty awesome. I never knew you could do this. I thought you absolutely had to cook pasta over the stove, but apparently you don't. So, yeah. Alright, the last thing I'm gonna do before I end this vlog is I'm gonna stir it around. No, actually, you know what? I'm gonna put it in for 20 more seconds. Yeah, see the cheese is. And there you have your mac and cheese. Peace out.